Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy, which is the largest online education platform for GATE, CS and IT. Myself, Mallesham Devasane. In this session, I'll be explaining you the previous year GATE questions along with a detailed solution. So before starting today's in this session, I'll be introducing myself, what I do and what we have for you to prepare the examination seriously. Okay, I'm working as an educator on Unacademy. Myself here, Mallesham Devasane. So I teach in the segment of GATE and ESE. This is the goal, and where CS and IT, I'm going to take the courses where you look at, I worked in various institutes in India, and before that I have completed my MTech from IIT Bombay. In case you require any referral code, you can use DEVALIVE as referral code. And these are my favorite subjects like C programming, TOC, compiler, discrete maths, algorithms. And here I am going to take the classes for C programming, TOC and compiler. And you can visit my profile unacademy.com/devagatecsc. At this profile, you can access all the free classes that I have, more than 400 classes like quizzes, all-in-one sessions and special topics on different subjects and DPP sessions and PYQ series. But if you want to learn entire course, you require to take the subscription, but you can use my referral code all the time, DEVALIVE, to access the free classes, or you can take the subscription on Unacademy. So you can easily remember the code DEVALIVE to get 10% discount on Unacademy for Plus or Iconic subscription. Yeah. In case if you are very new to Unacademy, you do not know about the app, you can go to Play Store, download Unacademy Learning app, just install it, and you can right away use, or you can access to all free classes using mobile. In case if you are using the browser, laptop or computer, then you can visit unacademy.com. Okay, what is the advantage of coming to Unacademy? You will get an access to the classes from India's top educators. There are many more. Remember that. And that is the one advantage. And we have two kinds of plans. One is the Plus, other is Iconic. The Plus, all benefits you have, no doubt, where you will get an access to every course, every class for every educator and every live class. Remember that. And every subject will have a weekly test and doubt solving sessions. You can join Hindi or English courses and any batch that is there. And additional to this, Iconic has the different benefit. All the benefits of Plus, you will be assigned with a coach. And when there are many things, definitely will have many confusions too. So as you are beginner, second year, third year, you do not know how to prepare, you want a guide always, then Iconic will shoot you. And you will get an access to separate prepared study material when you have any difficulty in particular topic. And you will have a plan for studying, separate booster sessions and analysis of every test. So these are the benefits of Iconic. And if you want to access to unacademy.com using your laptop or computer, just go to www.unacademy.com, or you can install using Play Store and choose your goal GATE and ESE. Before that, login. If you require referral code, you can use DEVALIVE referral code. You can access to any free class using this code and search for the class that you are looking for. If you want to take the subscription, click on this, and when you click, you have two options, Plus or Iconic. Either select Plus or Iconic, but read which benefits you are looking for, right? And if you are not aware of the prices, that Plus, many plans are there. Among them, 1 year, 1.5, 2 year plans are very popular. Here, don't forget to apply DEVALIVE referral code, because when you are getting 10% discount, why do you lose it, right? That is advantage. So the price is 27,225 for 1 year, 34,650 for 1.5 year, 39,600 for 2 years. And in this duration, you are eligible to access any course There is no restriction inside. Just entry, that's all. Once you go inside, there is no additional fee for you. Any subject, any course from any educator, any batch, you are free to attend. Unlimited number of live classes you can attend. Remember, unlimited number of times you can watch the recorded sessions. Everything I'm talking about. And iconic, we have two very popular plans, 1 year, 2 years, where after applying referral code DEVALIVE, 45 to 25 and 66,600 guys. And there are new batches which are started 21st December. The GATE electronics electrical batch started, and new batch is going to start for mechanical and civil and from 28th. If you have any friends, please share this information with them so that they can start joining on Unacademy. They may take plus or iconic subscription to start their career. Yeah, GATE, CS and IT we are going to start soon, and we will announce when it is planned. And if you are following my classes, and it is very important to know what I take on Unacademy. So from morning onwards, I was very busy in taking the classes, and now I reached the YouTube 4:30 p.m. just to give you an PYQ of TOC. But there are many other sessions are happening on Unacademy. You can follow as per your requirement. But 11 a.m. is not a free class; it's a plus iconic. Look at that. I take plus iconic as well as many free classes to get an access to content. Remember, at 7 p.m. we have a very special strategy for GATE 2020 to 2023 students, guys. Right? How to prepare algorithm. If you are beginner, it's a completely free class. Remember, you can come here and you can ask your doubts how to prepare and whatever it is. At 8:15 p.m. that's where I'll come back to TOC and disability second day. That is YouTube session. Okay, in this I'm going to explain all 2016 questions of TOC. Let's start. So before that, in previously 3 sessions I have covered till 2017. Now in this session I am covering 2016 year. Okay, let's move on. The first question is, here answers doesn't matter, approaches matter. Answer everybody knows, right? Every book prints that answer, but explanation is very important. L1 is regular. It's a one language, not set of regulars. Remember, it's not a class, it is a language in the class. Okay, L2 context free language, L3 recursive language, L4 REL. And which of the following is true? L3 complement L4, L3 complement L4. What does that means? L3 recursive union L4 RE. And guys, recursive complement, we know recursive? We know recursive? Yes, union RE. And you know, recursive union RE, for both of them you have Turing motion. You can assume RE union RE, you can say RE always. But we are not guarantee will it be recursive or not, because this RE is no guarantee recursive. If it is recursive, result can be recursive. So RE, but no guarantee recursive. You can say need not be recursive. May or may not. May or may not. So he is talking about same recursively enumerable. That's great. It is true. It is true. Yes. I'm not able to see the chart, guys. Is my chart is not working or you are not there? Okay. Hi everyone. If you are reaching, if you are on live. Yeah. Good evening, Amjad. Please respond, guys. If you are live, sign. Fine. L2 complement union L3. What is L2? CFL. Complement. Union. L3 is what? Recursive. This is given information. We are trying to find out E is what? CFL complement, guys. How many of you know CFL complement is CSL always? This is need not be CFL. May or may not. Don't say not CFL. Remember, wrong. Need not be CFL. Maybe CFL, may not be. But always CSL union recursive. You know, CSL union recursive means you can assume recursive union recursive. You can prove as recursive always. Always. So that is also true now. We got information true. There are 2 true so far. Yes. Next, third one. Third statement. Let's look at L1. L1 is a regular. Regular star. Intersection. L2 is a CFL. And guys, regular cleaning closure is always regular. Intersection CFL. You know, regular intersection CFL can be guaranteed always CFL. Example, somebody might be saying regular, that is wrong. Look at A power, what I am saying, A star. A star, B star, intersection. I can take A star, B star again, but I don't take A power and B power n. Now look at that. A power and B power n only comes. Don't say regular. It is not the class diagram. It is the language. The language, intersection language can be anything. Understand what could be that. Everybody, that's a counter example. If anybody assuming regular, wrong. It is always CFL but need not be regular. Sometimes regular, sometimes not. And he's saying CFL. That means it is also true. Correct. It is true. And 4. What is 4, guys? L1 is regular. Intersection L2 complement is a CFL complement. How can I guarantee CFL complement is CFL? Need not be right. So we know that regular intersection CSL and we get CSL but need not be CFL. So the 4th need not be context free. You have to answer L1 union L2 complement need not be context free. That is exact statement. It is a true. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3 are true. The 4th one is the false. Clear? Let's move on. Any doubts so far? Yeah. If you are watching this video, guys, please don't forget to like the session. All the time we come for you and only we look at once. That is the likes. If you like more, we have more encouragement. That's all. Even you dislike more, we will have more encouragement. Remember that. Some people intentionally do dislike. Still, we will be more encouraged because of dislikes. We always challenging both of them. Yes. Please like the session, guys. Which of the following languages is generated by the given grammar? I want to find the language generated by the grammar. Everybody, S derives AS, BS epsilon. And what is the language you generate? Epsilon directly is there. Directly S derives epsilon. A also there. How? S, A, S and epsilon. Similarly B and double A possible. Everything is there. Everything, guys. Everything. If you want to go for BA, you can try that. How? S, BS and S, you have AS and epsilon. You get a BA. If you want AB, you take S. Go for AS and S with BS and epsilon. If you want double A, you have double time, you substitute AS only. Everybody? So it is equal to A plus B whole star. Universal language over A comma B. Now, assume the L is the language generated by your given grammar. L of G, let's say. And option A is trying to say A star B star. Is it representing? No. It is subset of our L. Not equal to L. Yeah, next one. Option B. Equal number of A's and B's. Right? It is also subset L. And जो भी है ये A star union B star. This is A power and B power n. A power and B power n. This is also subset of L because A plus B whole star has everything. This is equal to L. So we choose the D. Yeah, good evening Prem. Yeah, good evening. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay, when looks are lengthy, when looks are difficult, we'll spend more time to understand so that you will have a clarity of what we are doing. Okay, answer to the crab. There is no use of answering it. There is a use of asking the doubts and giving the answer why it is. That is very important. And when I ask the question, keep answering immediately. Keep answering, guys. Look at G1. S derives AS or B and B derives B or BB. Now I'm asking a question to you. if I look at a B, because I want S only at the end. So what I do is, I look at only B first. What is the language generated by B? Only B, only B. Only B, what it generates. L of B. So that this I substitute in S, I can get S. B plus. How do I know that? How do I know that? How do I know that? X implies B or Bx. Is basically B is repeated any number of times and this B is substituted at the last. It is nothing but L of X, nothing but a B star and the B is going to stop that X. So B comes, which is equal to B plus, and which is very easy grammar. Right. Everyone? Yeah, Prem, I will come to you after this question. Everybody? B plus. Now what is S? What is S? What is S? Now you need to substitute that B. That B plus, you substitute here. So how it looks like? S derives AS or B plus. Now this is in our format. We are easy to write because A repeats because of S recursion and B plus is going to help us to stop. That means the grammar 1 is going to generate A B plus. So A star B plus. The language here is A star and B plus. B plus. Because B plus directly we put. Everyone? Come on. Everyone? Yeah. Okay, next G2. And I'm directly writing. You understood my concept? First I will work on B. What do you get a B? B gives B star. And ये जल्दी समझ नहीं आता, उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा. A2, A derives A, capital B means B star. एप्सिलॉन को लिखना जरूरत नहीं, क्यों? एप्सिलॉन ऑलरेडी B स्टार में है. एप्सिलॉन ऑलरेडी B स्टार में है तो डिलीट कर लो, इसको जरूरत ही नहीं है. राइट B स्टार. Okay, now what is this recursion? Okay, recursion. A repeats, B star stops that recursion. So what do you get? This one, what do you get? You got a new language, that is A star, B star. A star and B star. Now finally substitute in S. What is that? S derives A. Capital A is nothing but A star B star. ये capital A क्या? और B, capital B क्या था? B star. उसी grammar की capital B. So what did you get? That is L2. Assume that L2. A plus B star, that is the first one, or B plus. Everyone, this is L2. And L1 we have already. L1 is A star B plus. Now take them and try to understand which one is going to match. Because we want union. Union or not? Sorry. Not union. Sorry. I'm sorry guys. Directly they are asking what it represents. And we want separately. And first let's work on G1. Who will represent A star B plus? A star मतलब देखो ये दोनों के लिए चांस है, right? And is it RR and? Is it RR and? तो यही पे हो गया आंसर. ABC failed. But I'm trying to help you. What is the meaning of that? Each one. Because कभी कभी जरूरत पड़ता है ना. ये क्या होता? ये इसका meaning क्या होता? ये बोल रहा है either m greater than 0 or n greater than 0. If m greater than 0 क्या होता? A plus B star होता. और n greater than 0 होता? A star B plus होता guys. उसका meaning वही तो है. इसका meaning A वाले है. और ये वाले m greater than 0 and n greater than 0 मतलब A plus B plus दोनों greater than 0. ये वाले क्या? R बोल रहा है. R m greater than 0 मतलब एक कुछ भी, B भी कुछ भी. ए स्टार बी स्टार प्लस आर मतलब प्लस एन ग्रेटर देन 0, वो तो ऑलरेडी कवर हो चुके हैं उसके अंदर, तो ये जरूरत ही नहीं था। ए स्टार बी प्लस जरूरत नहीं है, क्यों दोनों मिलके ए स्टार बी स्टार बनता। हमको सिर्फ ए स्टार बी प्लस चाहिए, दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल विथ ऑप्शन डी। एंड आपको इतना चेक करना वाई दिस इज सेम एज दिस वन, दैट्स ऑल। when it is m greater than 0, when it is m greater than 0, you will get a plus b star. When you get r means union means plus, and n greater than 0, n greater than 0 means b plus, but a कुछ भी। इस चक्कर में आप चेक करना पड़ेगा, a plus b star is already covered here, only b plus you want, that is also covered here. Everybody, yes, that is definitely going to match, definitely going to match, right? So D is the right answer. Now one question I'm going to take, very interesting question guys. Sir, ये प्रेम की क्वेश्चन है, राइट? डीपीडीए ये पढ़ना नहीं आता लोग को। डीपीडीए में कैन एक्सेप्ट पाई, टीएम एक्सेप्ट पाई, क्यों नहीं, ये एक्सेप्ट तो कर सकता। प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है, आपको पूछना नहीं आ रहा है। दो टाइप क्वेश्चन होता दुनिया में, कैन बी डिजाइन डीपीडीए दैट एक्सेप्ट्स पाई, ये तो कर सकते, ये नहीं। वी कैन डिजाइन फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा, फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा कैन डू, व्हाई कांट अदर्स? वी कैन डिजाइन, प्रॉब्लम दूसरा होता। आप कुछ अलग देख रहा था उसको, स्टेटमेंट को, व्हाई नॉट, ये तो पॉसिबल है, प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है। कैन वी वेरीफाई, डिजाइन नहीं है वो क्वेश्चन, कैन वी वेरीफाई गिवन डीपीडीए दैट एक्सेप्ट्स पाई, ये अलग क्वेश्चन है, ये डिसाइडेबल प्रॉब्लम होता। ये डिसाइडेबल क्यों? एम्प्टीनेस वी कैन चेक यूजिंग कन्वर्ट डीपीडीए टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट फ्री ग्रामर, कॉन्टेक्स्ट फ्री ग्रामर में एल्गोरिथम है, यू कैन डू दैट, बट कैन वी वेरीफाई, ये बात अलग है। कैन वी वेरीफाई गिवन टीएम एक्सेप्ट्स पाई, दैट इज अनडिसाइडेबल। पता नहीं यार गिवन टीएम क्या करता, इफ इट इज एक्सेप्टिंग बाय एवरी स्ट्रिंग शुड रिजेक्ट, हमारे पास लॉजिक ही नहीं है, ये अनडिसाइडेबल प्रॉब्लम। अरे आप डिजाइन पूछ रहे हैं, वेरीफाई पूछ रहे हैं। वी कैन डिजाइन टीएम दैट एक्सेप्ट्स एम्प्टी लैंग्वेज, but we can't verify arbitrary TM that accepts pi. These two are different problems. Yes, we can do if you want to design. Yes, we can design, why not? But verifying DPDA, given DPDA, you can verify, but given arbitrary TM, we don't know how to verify the logic. Everybody, ये दोनों अलग है, ऐसे बात नहीं करना कभी, है ना? आपको सही समझ में आना चाहिए एक स्टेटमेंट में क्या बोल रहा है। ए प्रॉब्लम मतलब डीपीडीए इज गिवन, दे आर आस्किंग इज इट एक्सेप्टिंग पाई, ये प्रॉब्लम है, इंग्लिश स्टेटमेंट नहीं है वो, ठीक है? चलो आगे चलते हैं। इसलिए क्यों समझ नहीं आता अनडिसेबल, बिकॉज दे स्टडी लाइक एन इंग्लिश। ऑलराइट, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेजेस, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू? CFL नॉट CFL चाहिए, आप ये देख लेना, A पावर n, B पावर m, C पावर n plus m, of course m comma n greater than or equal to 1. Everyone, now this A, what we do, this sum, right? This sum should be equal na, so what you do, push x only, मुझे at least 1 ये चाहिए, guarantee, remember that, and at least 1 भी चाहिए, इसके लिए भी push x करो चलेगा, but order guaranteed, guarantee the order, इसके लिए just pop x, then when the end of the string comes, at end only z not left on the stack, over, मतलब number of c's equal to number of a's and b's. Is it clear? Many logics are there guys, but I'm just explaining one logic. Only guarantee at least 1 year 1 becomes, automatically C should come to verify that number of C's equal to sum of A's and B's. So L1 is in fact DCFL too. L1 is DCFL guys, L1 is DCFL, and a power n, b power n, c power 2n, and three symbols you can't do parallelly, they are depending. या ऐसा नहीं है sum of a and b is equal to c, वो नहीं है ये. Parallelly a and b and c, मतलब n is equal to 100, 100 a's, 100 b's, 200 c's. The the count, that's what I can say, three symbols are depending parallelly. That's one stack is impossible. One stack impossible in not a CFL, but it is always CSL. It is CSL. It is CSL, no doubt. So just you need to say that. Go. Which of the following is true? Both are CFL. गलत है. L1 is context free. L2 is not context free. वो सही है. And L2 is context free. गलत है. L1 is not context free. गलत है. Neither L1 nor ये भी गलत है. ठीक है. Yeah, good evening Shubhasri. Late. Yeah. Keep try. Answer to hai. Just try, because I'm going to give an explanation for each statement. Each word is there inside. Yeah. Let's try to understand. Given n of a's, n1 and n2, their intersection is empty, means it's a disjoint problem. Disjoint for regular languages. Is it decidable? ये कैसे होता? NFA 1 दिया, मतलब N1, NFA 2 दिया, that is N2, N1 N2 guys, N1 N2. Then how do you know that intersection is empty? First, you have so many algorithms guys, you know, you can convert to DFA1, you can convert to DFA2, you can do composition so that you get a new DFA12, and this DFA12 you can do the minimization. So DFA minimum DFA12 comes. Now check emptiness of DFA. This emptiness, if this has no final state, it accepts empty language. It has at least one final, it accepts non-empty. This is a whole algorithm why this is decidable. This problem is decidable. आप इतना समझ सकते हैं यार, NFS दिया मतलब regular languages दिया. So intersection of two regulars is empty or not is decidable, disjoint problem, right? So you can convert somebody to other, NFA to DFA, DFA to NFA, regular expression to regular language, कुछ भी. Okay, given CFG and given string also X is that this is called as membership. In our TOC class, we did the CYK algorithm. That will do that. How? Given CFG, you write a CN of CFG and string is given and CFG is given. Now apply CYK algorithm. It will verify both. Right? So this is also decidable. This is also decidable. And he's asking about undecidable. So अब तक ये delete किया. दोनों decidable. And now this is equivalence problem. Equivalence of two context-free languages or two context-free grammar. Equivalence of two CFLs is, two arbitrary CFLs is undecidable. Okay, there is no algorithm to show like I have a CYK algorithm, I have a compound machine, I have no such things. And another one, this is emptiness problem of Turing machine. This is also undecidable. ये दोनों undecidable है. So 3 and 4 are undecidable guys. Today we are going to start such problems at 8:30 guys. If anybody is new to TOC, they don't know undecidability, please attend today 8:30 p.m. We are going to do today this kind of sessions on this same channel guys. Okay, yes. 8:15 p.m. today, 8:15. Next. The number of states in minimum DFA that accepts language defined by regular expression. What is this problem? What is this problem? This problem is just contain 0 or 1 as a substring. It means contain at least some symbol, means 0 plus 1 whole plus only, guys. Everybody knows, like something like that, x star x star, this is equal to x plus only. Contain 0 or 1 means at least one symbol is there in my string. Everybody? Yeah. So now at least one symbol, epsilon is not there. Minimum string is 0 or 1 and so on. Epsilon not there, so you can't make initial as the final. Either 0 or 1 go to final and accept everybody. So 2 states enough. 2 states. Clear? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. If you are watching this session, guys, please like this session. Thank you so much. Consider the following 2 statements. If all states of NFA are accepting states, the final states, final, accepting means final, then the language accepted by NFA is sigma star. Guys, अगर NFA DFA होता ना, ये सही statement था, ये false है, ये incorrect है. क्यों incorrect है? देखो, मेरे पास 2 finals है. Let's say A comma B. But is it represent A plus B whole star? ये NFA है, DFA नहीं है. R state final है इसमें. Every state is a final. But language no need to be A plus B whole star. But अगर DFA होता था ना, definitely sigma star. Guys, note, जो NFA दिया, अगर DFA replace किया, definitely correct answer. Yes, first one is incorrect. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. Guys, there exists है ना, some language, some regular language, and right? यहाँ पर ये is equal pi मान लो, pi intersection any language is going to be pi, मतलब regular आएगी. There is not, I'm not talking about everybody, right? This is any, every B, but this is somebody. Fixed? Yes. Second is correct. There is somebody. If I say for every regular language, then it's wrong. Some regular language in the world, that regular language intersection with everybody in the world is a regular possible. Yes. But if there exists only every कर लिया ना, ये statement भी false होता. Yes. So yes. So 2 is correct and 1 is a false. Yeah. Right. M takes at least 2016 steps on some input. M takes, remember, I am not asking M halts. Remember, these two are different words here. M takes at least 2016 steps on some input. Everybody, M takes at least 2016 steps on some input. Everybody, yeah, समझ लेना बात को. ये कहाँ डिपेंड होता? This language depends on a problem. What problem? पहले ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करके लैंग्वेज को बाद में करो. Whether M takes at least 2016 steps means 2 steps भी मान सकते हैं आप on some input. If you can solve this problem, this is a problem now, not a language. This is a language and I convert it into a problem, because if the problem is decidable, I will say that this language is decidable. If the problem is undecidable, then I will say language is undecidable. Everybody? So I have a strategy to answer this question. Clear? हर लैंग्वेज को प्रॉब्लम में डिजाइन कर लो. प्रॉब्लम चाहिए, इसको भी ऐसे कर लो. Whether ask one machine first before taking all the machines in the world. Whether Turing machine takes, because M is a Turing machine, M takes at least 2016 steps. Can you design an arbitrary Turing machine first on all inputs? आई एम नॉट सेइंग आल्ट्स, रिमेंबर, राइट. एंड इसके लिए वेदर गिवन m accepts epsilon, I converted into 3 problems first before solving 3 languages, guys. Before solving, yeah, good evening, Gulu. Right, now one by one. समझ रहे ना बात. मैं ये करने वाला हूँ, लैंग्वेज को बाद में देखता हूँ. First, I will look at what is one machine. First one, think about L1. Guys, I may take even half an hour to explain this, but you should have the patience to listen. Remember, if you are not able to understand in one flow, you can pass and continue. Everybody? Yeah, L1. First, L1 is purely depends on one problem, one, that is a P1. P1, I made a problem. What is that? Whether M takes minimum 2000, at least means minimum 2016 moves steps means moves only on some input. Yes or no? आपके पास कुछ लॉजिक है क्या, ये चेक करना है आपको. yes or no, दोनों के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा अभी. yes मतलब क्या होगा, s मतलब क्या होगा. okay, this m takes minimum 2016 moves on some input. Then how do you verify? Really, if it takes, if there is a string, definitely can you find or not, guys? How? Let's try it. Theoretically proving, guys. मेरे पास एक ही Turing machine है m. Assume this is m only one Turing machine. I'm asking, do you? Of course, assume that it takes. I'm asking the question, do you take minimum 2016 moves? ये क्वेश्चन है. अरे on some input, कोई भी है, इनपुट फिक्स नहीं है, तो क्या करेगा, एक लॉजिक अप्लाई करेंगे. वन लॉजिक, इसी m को कॉपी m, इसको पूछो एप्सिलॉन, मान लो सिग्मा इज 0,1 मान लो, एंड इसी को कॉपी करो m, इसको पूछो 0, एंड इसी को कॉपी करो. कॉपी थ्रेड्स, सेम मशीन वी कॉपी. रिमेंबर, सेम tm वी कॉपी ऑल द टाइम्स. आस्क वन, अगर कोई भी स्ट्रिंग है, इफ इट टेक्स 2016 मूव्स, वहां पे आल्ट करो. हर मशीन में एक एल्गोरिथम चल रहा है गाइस. 0 हम करते रहेंगे. एक और एल्गोरिथम चल रहा है, इज इट टेकिंग 2016 मूव्स. अगर नहीं हुआ, ये क्या होगा, लेस देन 2016 मूव्स में हाल्ट होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर दैट, इफ इट इज नॉट टेकिंग 2016 मूव्स, पक्का हाल्ट होगा. अगर हाल्ट नहीं हुआ, पक्का 2016 मूव रीच होगा. राइट, इफ इट हाल्ट्स लेस देन 2016 मूव्स, तो कुछ नहीं करना, आप आगे चलो. एक एल्गोरिथम, दूसरा एल्गोरिथम, मूव इट एंड चेक हियर. पहले चेक कर लिया, यहां पर चेक कर लिया. दिस इज ऑल्सो हाल्टिंग टू लेस देन 2016 मूव्स, मशीन हाल्ट, तो आगे चलो. अगर कोई भी 2016 मूव्स लिया, डोंट चेक 2017. इफ टेक्स 2016 मूव्स, स्टॉप and say that m takes. Now don't run all this. Everybody, वो तो थ्रेड कॉपी करते रहेगा, बट लेकिन अनदर एल्गोरिथम इज गोइंग टू रन. एवरीबडी, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, यस के लिए लॉजिक है, ये प्रूव कर रहा हूँ. कैसे प्रूव किया? बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट विच इनपुट टेक्स मोर देन 2016. अगर नॉट टेकिंग क्या है, तो उसके लिए भी लॉजिक अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. नो के लिए क्या करें? गाइस, सी दैट यू वांट टू टेक मिनिमम 2016 मूव्स, राइट? सपोज अज्यूम दैट, कितना डिफिकल्ट है. सपोज अज्यूम दैट tm टेक्स मिनिमम 2016 मूव्स. यस हो गया. इसके लिए लॉजिक पकड़ लिया हम. लॉजिक तो एग्जिस्ट है. इन केस सपोज चेक करना है ना, दोनों के लिए लॉजिक प्रूव करना है ना. tm डजंट टेक, मतलब सपोज TM halts every string less than 2016 moves. ये प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ये नो है एवरीबॉडी, ये नो है. इसके लिए लॉजिक प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ये नो है, ये एस है. एस के लिए तो लॉजिक हो गया. नो के लिए लॉजिक क्या है? सपोज TM halts on every string in less than 2016. मतलब कोई भी स्ट्रिंग नहीं है वो 2016 लेगा. इसके लिए क्या चेक करना पड़ेगा? वेरीफाई अप टू बस 2015 लेंथ स्ट्रिंग तक. क्यों 2016 लेंथ? जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों? प्रीफिक्स प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई करेगा. 2016 स्ट्रिंग में भी 2016 लेंथ स्ट्रिंग में भी 2015 लेंथ है. 2015 में प्रूव किया यू आर halting लेस देन 2016 भी halt होगा. And this is a prefix property. Verify up to all strings. Verify up to 2015 length strings. All of them. Right? Verify all strings up to 2015 length. क्या verify करना है? Is every string halts in 2015 length भी जरूरत है क्या? मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ guys. लेस दैन 2016. लेस दैन मतलब मैक्सिमम 2015 तक बहुत है ना. राइट. विटेक्स halts इन लेस दैन 2016 moves. मतलब लेस दैन 2016 moves मतलब लेस देन और इक्वल टू 2015. इसके लिए 2014 लेंथ बहुत है एवरीबॉडी. तो आई एम pretty sure 2015 तक चेक कर लेंगे. इफ एवरी स्ट्रिंग halts, कैसे पता? सेम लॉजिक, सेम TM को क्या करोगे? दुनिया में कितना होंगे स्ट्रिंग्स? ये सेम TM को कॉपी करो, सेम TM को कॉपी करो. ये W1 W2 कितना होंगे दुनिया में स्ट्रिंग्स? फाइनाइट होंगे ना. चेक अप टू 2015 लेंथ ओनली. राइट. कॉपी करते रहो. इफ एवरी TM halts, आप भी halt हो जाओगे. अगर कोई भी 2016 मूव लिया, स्टॉप होके बोल दो ये यस TM टेक्स मूव्स. तो दोनों के लिए लॉजिक है गाइस. यही तो है दोनों के लिए लॉजिक. अभी क्या लॉजिक है? चेक ऑल स्ट्रिंग्स अप टू 2015 लेंथ. अगर कोई भी ट्यूरिंग मोशन टेक्स 2016 मूव, स्टॉप द होल प्रोसेस. से दैट यस पूरा चेक कर लिया. कोई भी नहीं लिया 2016 मूव, बोलो नो. क्यों? कोई भी 2016 नहीं लिया. आप 2016 क्यों चेक नहीं किया? क्यों 2016 लेंथ आल्सो फॉलोज 2015 लेंथ स्ट्रिंग. प्रीफिक्स प्रॉपर्टी गाइस, दैट इज अ प्रीफिक्स प्रॉपर्टी. एवरी स्ट्रिंग नो नीड टू चेक because the whole process depends on 2015 length string. If you have checked up to 2015 length, indirectly 2016 length, 17 length, 18th length also checked. That is the prefix property here. So that is the reason this problem is decidable, because I know the logic for both. That is the reason this problem is decidable. Everybody? भाई इतना इजी तो नहीं है गाइस. ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं यार डिसाइडेबल बोलना, राइट. भाग जाते हैं डिसाइडेबल सोचने के लिए लोग. क्लियर दिस पॉइंट? या सेकंड वन, मैं बोला आधा घंटा लूंगा इसको, मैं ले रहा हूं, देख लेना. नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर द L2. आई एम गोइंग फॉर L2. प्लीज इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट लेटर ऑन, बट आई एम गोइंग फॉर L2. राइट. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज डिसाइडेबल L2. Now I have to check. This depends on P2, problem 2. That is whether M takes at least 2016 moves on all inputs. All inputs दुनिया में. मतलब ये भी ऐसे वाली क्वेश्चन है. If you want to verify M takes at least, मतलब same problem guys. अब क्या करना? S मतलब क्या है? S मतलब you have to verify again up to 2015 length string only. Verify again up to 2000. Again same problem. Verify up to, verify all inputs, all strings up to 2015 length strings only. क्या प्रूव करना अभी? अगर इफ m takes at least 2000, m takes, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ m hauls, दोनों अलग है. m takes इन्फिनाइट लूप में भी जा सकता, एटलीस्ट 2016 मूव्स ऑन एवरी इनपुट. तो क्या करोगे, एस मतलब एवरी स्ट्रिंग अप टू 2015 लेंथ टेक्स 2016th स्टेप मूव्स. वो 2016 स्टेप होगा, उनको पक्का होगा हर स्ट्रिंग के लिए. एस मतलब क्या है इसका मीनिंग, क्या है इसका मीनिंग? लुक एट दैट गाइस. ये ट्यूरिंग मशीन में ये एप्सिलॉन दिया. सो ये इस ट्यूरिंग मशीन में क्या हो रहा है, यू हैव गिवन इनपुट एप्सिलॉन, मतलब इनपुट नहीं दिया लेकिन ट्यूरिंग मशीन मूव हो रहा है ए टू बी, बी टू ए टू सी, सी टू बी, कुछ भी. कितना मूव्स लिया, 2016 मूव लिया. एप्सिलॉन में चल रहा है काम. और ये भी क्या है, सिंगल जीरो दिया, उसके लिए भी 2016 मूव एग्जिस्ट है, इसके लिए भी 2016 मूव एग्जिस्ट है. डोंट गो फॉर 2017, वी डोंट रिक्वायर, जस्ट चेक 2016 एग्जिस्ट और नॉट. एक काउंटर मेंटेन कर लो, हर मूव में इंक्रीमेंट कर दो उसको. ऐसे कितना चेक करोगे, ओनली अप टू मैक्सिमम, दैट इज 2015th लेंथ स्ट्रिंग. रिमेंबर दैट, बहुत सारे होंगे लेकिन टेक ऑल अप टू 2015th लेंथ स्ट्रिंग तक. उसके बाद रुको. क्यों, हम तो इन्फिनिट लूप कभी नहीं जाएंगे, ट्यूरिंग मशीन जाएगा, लेकिन हम नहीं जाएंगे. वी विल स्टॉप एट 2016th मूव. इन केस इफ एवरी टीएम टेक्स 2016 मूव्स, मतलब 2016 स्टेप है अंदर, देन यस बोलो. इन केस कोई भी 2016 से पहले हाल्ट हो गया, जाना नहीं दूसरा स्ट्रिंग में, आ गया आंसर, नो नीड टू चेक. इफ एप्सिलॉन आफ्टर दो स्टेप के बाद हाल्ट हो गया तो हो गया आंसर, दूसरा टीएम जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर, राइट. इफ एनी टीएम टेक्स मीन्स हॉल्ट्स ले लो, हाल्ट होगा पक्का, नॉट टेक्स मीन्स इफ हॉल्ट्स लेस देन 2016 मूव्स, एनी टीएम, हर टीएम जरूरत नहीं, देन से नो. दोनों के लिए लॉजिक है, आई एम एबल टू हाल्ट इट एंड नेवर गो टू इन्फिनिट लूप. इसके लिए भी लॉजिक एग्जिस्ट है. दैट मीन्स सम स्ट्रिंग halts in less than 2000. सम स्ट्रिंग, किसका स्ट्रिंग, अप टू 2015 लेंथ, इसी में है, इन लेस देन 2016 मूव्स. हो गया आंसर. तो इसलिए ए भी डिसाइडेबल है, एग्जैक्टली L1 जैसे दिखता है इंटरनली. गुड इवनिंग अंसारी, गुड इवनिंग everybody. Look at that theory we require to build. Everything is there in the problem itself. आपको कैसे समझना इसको, that depends up to you. Everybody. And L3, या 2 बार कॉपी किया. L3, what is L3 guys? What is L3? It is very simple. M accepts membership problem. Whether M given M accepts some string W can be epsilon or A, B, doesn't matter. This is the membership problem. ये तो already undecidable है. This is already undecidable, means not recursive, right? So first two problems are recursive and third problem is not recursive, means undecidable, means not decidable. Recursive means decidable. Everybody, so that is how we solve this problem guys. Now problem को प्रूव किया तब लोग पूछते सर L क्या है, L1 क्या है. प्रॉब्लम तो डिसाइडेबल है, L क्या है गाइस, ऐसे था प्रॉब्लम. Look at that. P1, L1 depends on what? P1 depends on P1. मुझे तो पता है P1 is decidable. Then how can I say L1 is decidable? प्रूव कर रहा हूँ, लोग को समझ नहीं आता ना. Now this is our L1. This is recursive, right? It means HTM exists for L1. L1 input kya? Look at that input. We are giving just machine, Turing machine. We are just giving a machine. We are just giving a machine. Here M1 input is M2. These are the inputs. Machine is input, guys. Machine is input. ऐसे कितना machines आएगा? Infinite, 1 by 1. एक बार नहीं आता guys. आपको पता है ना finite बेटा 1 by 1 ही होता string. But machine can understand infinite number of strings. A star पता है ना ये star. या ऐसे machine design करते हैं A star. But सारे strings एक बार नहीं आता. Epsilon accepted, A accepted, double A accepted. Exactly एक आएगा यहाँ पर भी. Now M1 already problem तो है. P1 exist to decide. Because S no logic बोल सकते हैं ना, है ना? S ने ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे, कुछ और बोलेंगे. इसको अंदर एक एल्गोरिथम अप्लाई करेंगे S नो बोलने के लिए. S बोल दिया तो लैंग्वेज के अंदर M1 बिलोंग्स टू L. अगर S बोल दिया, M2 दिया, इसी प्रॉब्लम को अगर नो बोल दिया, सपोज से दैट नो M2 इज नो मीन्स M2 नॉट इन L. M2 नॉट इन L है ना. हर मशीन में हॉल्ट होगा. अगर M3 बिलोंग्स टू L1 then we keep M3 in the language. Everybody, so if this is decidable, then I can apply this algorithm on every input. I can find out the new language is also decidable. Everybody, बहुत अंतर है guys. इसका मीनिंग है valid strings have a logic. जो valid strings have a logic, valid कौन है? जो belongs to L. Mi belongs to L1. Invalid members कौन है? इसको string बोल रहा है अभी, machine को string बोल रहा है अभी. Mi not belongs to L1. Those machines which are there in L1, we have a logic जो S बोल रहा है. Those machines which are not there in L1, they also have a logic. Now that is the reason we have decidable. This has HTM. Everybody? Yeah. L1 has HTM. And please like the session, guys. If you are, understanding something where these problems are not explained on any YouTube channel so far, आज के बाद explain कर सकते होगा, लेकिन आप जाके देखो कहीं पर इस प्रॉब्लम को इतना देर कोई explain किया क्या? One question, right? Because of definitions, because of the words, because of patience, because of students has to sit, and so many problems are there to explain such questions, right? Anyway, thank you so much for attending these sessions, and please like the session if you are enjoying. Yes, everybody clear? Okay. देखो एक प्रॉब्लम के अंदर कितना नॉलेज चाहिए. And guys, this problem I will take up in the next session, because this problem also takes much time to explain because of PDA. So I will stop here. We have few questions, 4 questions left. I will take up on tomorrow. Everybody? And after this, I am going to meet on Unacademy at 7 p.m. The how to prepare algorithm subject for 2022 and 2023. And if you are preparing 2021, you can also attend, not a problem. 8:15 p.m. we have again, I will come back to undisability. There we will start understanding one problem for much time. Okay, so we will meet again. Yeah, Atul, you are right. ये लोग मैं बोल रहा हूँ जिसको गेट में सक्सेस चाहिए तो पुराना गेट क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लोर करो. एक ही बात है, रटना नहीं आंसर्स को. एक्सप्लोर. अभी देखा एक क्वेश्चन कितना एक्सप्लोर किया. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर गेट क्वेश्चन. उससे डेफिनेशन आ जाता, उसमें कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाता, उसमें आपको क्लैरिटी भी आ जाता. सो यू कैन अप्लाई टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. पर हमने एक नहीं करता. ओके, L1 L2 रिकर्सिव याद रख के जाते हैं. एक वर्ड बदल दिया, आंसर नहीं आता. राइट, गुड पॉइंट अतुल. Okay, please follow me if you are enjoying the classes. Please follow me. That is unacademy.com/DevaGateCSE. And if you need any referral code, you have a referral code DEVALIVE to access all free classes on Unacademy from me and from any educator too. DEVALIVE is a special code to access any course on Unacademy, which are free classes. Now this is a Telegram channel on Unacademy, from Unacademy. So that is Unacademy GATE CS. You can subscribe to this to get daily class links, daily updates from us. And we have so many free YouTube channels from Unacademy, and all these YouTube channels are running by top educators from India and from Unacademy. So you are going to get much benefit, guys, much benefit. I'm truly saying that, right? You will get definitely much benefit from these YouTube channels. Please share with your friends. And if you are enjoying our sessions, please just one like enough, and share if you know anybody, and subscribe if you have not done. And thank you so much. If you have any doubts regarding you wanted to prepare something, you want to prepare self, and you want to enroll Unacademy, and I'm always there to help you. And you can remember my referral code in case if you want to take the subscription or you want to access the free classes. So this is going to access the free classes also for Plus and Iconic. Thank you so much for attending this session. We will meet again in the coming session. Bye bye. Take care.